Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing a 10.25 inches high definition navigation and infotainment system on the 2014 BMW 3 Series F30. It's the same as F32, F36, the 4 Series, okay? So I'm gonna show you some of the features of the system. This is the newest Android 10.0, okay? This one comes with 4 GB of the memory, 64 GB of the storage memory, and this one also comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core. And this one also fully compatible with the original interface. You can see that when you click on the car info, this is the original interface here. Everything is fully compatible. It's also fully compatible with the iDrive. So you can use the iDrive to control the main menu here, you know. And this one actually also comes with the anti-reflection screen. You can see that, yeah, and it's very nice, okay? This is 720p screen, 1970 by 720 high definition screen. The navigation is built in. You can see that we don't need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. However, this GPS software also comes with the traffic update. In order to use the traffic update, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Otherwise, it's just like a normal GPS here. Other than the navigation system, you can also use the Google Map. This is Google. You can see that it's very fast. It's instant. Okay. This is the newest version of the Google Map. You don't need to connect to the Wi-Fi for the Google Map. Actually, you can click on this one. Scroll down the menu, you can see the option of the offline map. That means you can download the map data to the system. The system comes with 64 GB of the storage memory. It's more than enough actually. And go back. We also provide with another navigation software like the Waze. Okay. So basically, as long as you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can use the navigation software here. Okay. As long as you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can access to the internet. This is Google Chrome here. Yep. You can see that. This is Google Chrome here. And also this one also comes with the YouTube. You can also watch the movie while you're driving. You also come the video in motion. Of course, we won't recommend because it's quite dangerous, right? And we can try the YouTube video here. Very nice. And other than that, you can also play the movie from the USB. The USB is going to be in the glove box. It's also fully compatible with the stereo control. All the stereo control is fully compatible. You can see that. Okay. You can see that the screen resolution actually is very high here, okay? And other than that, you can also go to the dashboard here. All this information is going to be shown on the screen here. And it's also fully compatible with the backup camera too. It's the backup camera here. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to change the setting of the system, okay? This system doesn't come with any amplifier. How they produce the sound, even the car comes with the Harman Kardon sound system, is also fully compatible, okay? But one thing you need to keep that in mind. In order to use the system, you need to change the car to auxiliary mode. It's very important, okay? Go to media, go to aux front. You can also set the socket for the BMW. You can see that. BMW comes with a 1 to 8 socket button here, okay? You can set number 1. Until you hear the beep sound from the car, that means you already set number 1, assign number 1 as the auxiliary feature, okay? So it doesn't really matter, for example, if you're listening to the radio right now, if you want to use the system, just press number 1, click the screen, and then now you're ready to go to play for the movie. And it's very fast of the system. It's really responsive because this one is the Android 10.0, okay? You can go to setting. Go to factory 1314, click OK. USB host must be on, otherwise you cannot use the USB in the glove box, okay? Google Apps, OS, BT. Remember this last mode, that means every time when you turn on the car, the system will bring you to the Android homepage or the OEM system. This according to your personal preference, right? And also other than that, you can also go to car display here. According to your original car configuration, if the car does not come with the original navigation, it means it comes with 6.5 inches. So you can use 6.5 inches half screen. If you want the original screen to be full screen, you can choose the 6.5 inches full screen here. And then you can just go back here and then go to car info. That means now you are gonna be full screen here. Depends on what kind of feature you want, okay? And other than that, you can also come the UI. The newest BMW interface is ID7. Of course, you can also change it to ID6 or ID5. Yeah, Other than that, it's pretty much okay. This one is a really nice and responsive and fast system. Okay, this is also our newest product in the market right now. This is Android 10.0, 4GB of memory, 64GB of storage memory. It also comes with 1970 by 720 high definition screen, and it also comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon. That means it's also supported 4G LTE. Okay, also octa-core, so you can see that it's really responsive. In order to switch back and forth between the original software and the new software, I forgot to mention, okay? There are two ways to do that, okay? First of all, you can click the car info here, then you can bring it to the original menu, okay? Other than that, you can also click the car here, you also bring it to the original menu. Another thing is click on menu for a couple of seconds, then it will also bring it to the original menu, or hold the menu button for another couple of seconds, it will bring you back to the new interface, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any question about this fantastic system, please contact us AutoTecPro. You can also send us an email. We'll try our best to reply your message as soon as possible. This system can also be purchased from our website www.autotecpro.com. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.